Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys, find my device guys. How can we own it? Friends, you want to own guys your Infinix phone guys phone, find my device setting. So how can you own it today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we own guys Infinix phone guys phone, find my device setting. After on phone setting scroll it, and friends click on guys your phone security setting guys. The phone security setting is you can on get your find my device setting is off. We will tap here to off it. So friends, you can see find my device guys, we will on, and after on guys you will have to turn on guys your device location also. So guys we will on it from here, and friends you can see find my device is on, and guys you can use it. So as you can see find my device help you locate this device remotely. If you lose this device, it also helps you keep your data safe. So like that guys you can own, and guys you can use guys your Infinix phone find my device setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.